Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to be fixing this. I think it's 2016 Renault Premium. Like you can see, it's a Renault T460 Comfort, and obviously there's been involved in an accident in the front, so that front end is well pushed in. What we're going to do, we're going to strip it all the front, investigate it all. They're definitely going to need a rad intercooler, whatever's behind there. As you can tell, that's all bent in. Back underrun bar, what's under the bumper, that's all bent. I think you can take the whole lot off as one, I believe, if I remember correctly. It's just a wiring loom going maybe from the bumper front going to the fuse box there, and I think I'll try to take the whole lot off instead of trying stripping all the bits and bobs. I might need to take the bits and bobs as is, but try to take the whole lot off because this whole needs to be replaced, I would say. So let's crack on with the video. Right guys, I'm ready to take the front off. Basically what I did on the driver's side, I took them 3 plugs off. It's like 3 plugs and the one big one there. I unplugged that. I thought it's under the bonnet there, but it's down there, and this wiring loop is all the way to the front. And on this side you probably hardly see me doing anything, but what I did, I took this cap tilt pump off there, and obviously I don't want to take it out with this frame, so I left it there because it's on the separate pipes there. And the horn, I was fighting with the horn plug, tried to don't break it, but it's hard, all them little clips to pull the plug out. Obviously, especially in an old vehicle like this, when they've never been out, it's very hard, but we've got plenty of replacement stuff anyway. So I think I'm ready now. I already took the couple of bolts there for this front. I think it's just holding on the one bolt each end. As you can see, that underrun bar is all snapped anyway. So yeah, I'll be surprised if the chassis ain't bent, to be honest. So we're ready to take this out. So let's take this out and inspect it all. So let's do it. Right guys, it's all off now. As you can see, this front underrun bar is well V'd. Damage is actually split in the middle there as well. All these ends are loose. Snap them off. As you can see, this alley ain't really attached to anything now. This side is pretty solid, but the rods definitely gonna be replacing the rods, and this is actually intercooler, the rods behind there, the fan surround. That's all bust. And it looks like the chassis may be a little bit, both ends are in. Obviously I took this off because that's all V'd as well. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to take the rods out and just to check this chassis, have a look visually. I can't really see it for now, but they might be pulled in a bit together, them chassis, they might be in a bit. But as soon as we take the rods out, we probably know a bit more of what's happening. So for the time being, as you can see, it's all off. So, and we have to see you, mate, and we probably have to price it first, because this is actually someone else damaged this truck. So we're going to do the proper estimate now and give it to the insurance or the customer, and we go from there. So let's do it. Then take it off the axle stance and go down. Yeah. Go down. Yeah.
Yeah. Just the front one.
Just the. Hopefully that's the plan. Okay. You're in there. Okay. Yeah. Well done. You got it? Yeah. Got it.
Are you ready for the radiator yet? Or?
I'm not sure if we can try and do the same. Go up. Up then stop. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
We've got to go high. We've got to do that direction.
Yeah. Will it be alright?
Okay, high.
Don't you lift it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm free.
You're free?
Right, take two.
Take two.
Hopefully, let's go and put this end up.
Yeah.
Hopefully you'll be able to lift it up.
That's my plan. Lift it up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Easy.
peasy.
Easy peasy. Right, go down the side. Watch your head on them
Mirrors.
mirrors. Right guys, the rads are off and we did have a good look on them chassis. Chassis looks good. That's the lucky part. The chassis looks good. Obviously there's a beefy cast bracket on the end of that chassis, probably up to there, holding it all nicely and straight. So that's a good sign, because if the chassis was bent badly, obviously it's 2016 truck, they would probably write it all off. But now we've done the parts list already, and we're going to order whatever we need for this front end. The rad's intercooler is actually bent like a banana. You can see the rads, the kind of the same, and we're gonna get them ordered. Not ordered. We have to do the parts estimate first, and we're gonna pass it to the insurance, because, like I said, someone else is paying for it, and hopefully we get go ahead from insurance. If not, that'll be the end of the road for this truck, and that'll be just a part one of this video. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know in the comments, and thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.